In this video, we're going to be talking about the additional functionality available within the Active Streets Assessment tool. Now, we already know about setting filters, but once you've set the filters, you can also export it either as a GeoJSON file or as an Excel file. If you only want to include the information according to those filters, you can leave this button ticked, or if you want to download everything, just untick that button and it will download everything within the tool. Now, we also know that if you click on a section of road, you'll find out all of the information about it, but we also understand that you may not know what every single road in your area looks like. So we've also included a Street View tool. If you just click on that, click on the road that you want to have a look, click on Open Street View, and it will drop the Street View right into that location so you can see what the road looks like, what's going on. Finally, if I just deselect that, this layers button gives you a number of options of different base maps to have a look at. So at the moment, we just have it set to grey, but you may find that if you zoom in too closely, that the map just suddenly disappears. All you need to do is just switch to one of these other maps available, and you'll be able to zoom right in. The other benefits of these maps as well is that we have these Cycle SM, the Open Cycle map, and Thunder Forest Transport maps. These have additional information on them. So this one, for example, includes where the public transport links are. Or if you have a look at the Open Cycle map, this one shows you where existing cycle routes are. And you may also notice that it includes things like public footpaths. Finally, we also have the additional layers that we've included here. So if you want to know where all of your schools are, you can just toggle that on and off and switch this back to grey because it makes it a lot easier to see. So you can see that each of these icons show you where your schools are. And if you want to set on the boundaries as well of each of those names, just turn those off when you don't want to see them. And we have also included what's called indicative pedestrian movement. Now, this is coloured according to where it believes that most pedestrians are likely to travel. So you can see the most trafficked routes by pedestrians just by clicking on this layer here.